Supermicro has spent over 3 decades innovating in AI and green computing, achieving milestones like deploying over 100,000 liquid-cooled GPUs for large AI factories. They've expanded their high-performance storage solutions and support for the latest processors, including Intel and AMD, boosting efficiency for AI-ready data centers. Supermicro's collaborations and expansions are a testament to their growth and commitment to cutting-edge technology.
In the bustling habitat of the NVIDIA GTC event, we find ourselves surrounded by the vibrant energy of innovation, able to gather like curious creatures, exploring the wonders of technology.
라이브엑스 타워는 86인치 SAK 디지털 휘모
Interaction, a dance of intellect and curiosity. It's a scene of harmony and progress, where ideas flourish and connections are made.